If you want to optimize RAM and improve speed of your Android phone, Samsung phone, then what you need to do, I am going to tell you in this video. Just if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the setting and here developer option, go to the developer option. If this option is not activated, I have made another video, but I am telling you, just go to the about phone and then software information, build number plus 7 times, but I am already a developer, it will not happen. Then it will ask for a pattern and then enter pattern. Now go back and then developer option will be there. So after activating this, go to the developer option. Now search for the running services under memory, because the hanging or the slowdown of any mobile is related to the memory. So go to the memory, it was on the top only, memory, and here running services. Go to the running services and see which services are now running, system, apps and free. So just go to the system, apps and tabs. Suppose you are Bluetooth is there, 2 process and 7 services, just stop it. Okay, so stop it. Okay, stop it. Okay, so just now select the non-essential services which you do not require. Now stop it, and then when you will come back, you will find your mobile much faster than before. You have optimized your RAM for those services which are essential to you. This is what I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much.